when we shy and awkward, small kids who would not let our mother leave us in school, or else we would cry the whole day. And now we are graduates. To our very accommodating guest speaker, Mr. Oliver Gogola, to our confirming officer, Ma'am Princess Angie Grao, ASP, 2HRDO designate, to our dedicated frontliners of education under the leadership of our supported school head, Mr. Ronnie B. Garduque, to the barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Edwin Blaza, to our proud parents, my classmates, friends, to all visitors, ladies and gentlemen, our sincere thanks to each and every one of you for coming here today. We are very much gratified for your presence to spend with us this great moment of our lives. It is a truly great honor for me to stand here today to speak on behalf of my fellow graduates. These awards are momentary in significance, and what you are as a person is a better mark in life. My achievements represent all the hard work, sacrifice, perseverance, and determination that I have mastered in my young life. Allow me to thank our beloved teachers who have, in one way or another, inspired and helped us become an inspiration to others. Let us all sincerely thank our teachers who helped us to be what we are today. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng aming guro. Our teachers work hard in school and work harder at home. They devote their time to other children. Thank you, teachers, for your patience in molding us to become what we are today. And of course, fellow graduates, let us all thank our beloved parents behind our success. If the success of our parents who work hard and support our education. They persevere, they pray. It's all for our sake. Thank you for disciplining us with love. Maraming salamat po, Mama and Papa, for your support. Alam ko na proud kayo sa akin. We honor you with respect and dignity. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at pagtsatsaga niyo sa akin at sa aming magkakapatid. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Fellow graduates, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng ating mga magulang. Araw nila ito. Ngayon, nagbunga na ang kanilang mga paghihirap. To all my classmates, maraming salamat sa masisayang alaala na ating pinagsamahan at maraming salamat sa tawanan. And of course, maraming salamat to the ES for molding me to be what I am today. I will forever cherish all the learning years I've spent here. Thank you for giving me a solid foundation in education. Lastly, I would like to give glory to our Almighty Creator, for without His blessing and guidance, everything would not be possible. I will not miss the opportunities He was presented me. I pray that we would allow me to continue my journey. Sa ating pagtatapos, naway wag nating kalimutan ang lahat ng ating natutunan. Sa pagtatapos natin ito, isang pinto naman ang magbubukas para sa ating hinaharap. Ngunit hindi ibig sabihin nito ay dapat nating madamliin ang lahat sa ating buhay. Kung anuman ang nais natin sa buhay, hindi importante makuha o makamit natin agad ito. Ang importante ay matutunan natin magsumikap upang makamit natin ang lahat ng ito. Palaging tatandaan, love begets love, and respect begets respect. Patuloy nating isabuhay ang ating mahal na school motto na basta tugasenyo porsigido. Again, happy graduation po sa ating lahat. Mabuhay ang mga guro, mabuhay ang ating mga magulang, mabuhay ang Tugas Elementary School.